Alright, on the 56 CJ5, I've got a seat rigged up on there, a clutch pedal, no brake pedal because there's no brakes. And I just rolled the front end here in the shop, and right here from Rock Auto, I got these rotors, and there's a part number. I'm fixing to go put them on this thing and see. Step over the outboard motor, set them on there, and see how all this fits together. And I got the calipers over there also. Let me do that, and I'll be right back. Also in the box, I got this Evolution ceramic hardware, brake pads, and right there are the caliper, and they're marked right and left. It's got a big old R for right hand passenger side. So let me see how all this fits together. I may have to go watch another video to refresh myself. Okay, I had to go refresh myself about how to assemble this thing. Right here's the little bolt on the travel pin, I guess you call it. Telescope that slides in and out as you apply the brakes. This is what I just assembled. Put the little stainless clip down in there, and it's got a tang that points to the inside, and it rides right there, and I also found out this is the outside. This brake pad is flat. The inside has this tang sticking out that goes to the inside. So then get all of that assembled, and you flip it over. Gets me backwards and upside down. So I'm ready to lubricate that, and I'm going to lubricate the back of those brake pads. I'll be right back. Alright, well, put a little grease on this thread. A little bit there. Come on. A little bit there. Start that one in. Start that one in so everything doesn't fall. Okay, it's a 12 millimeter. My handy dandy nephew is tightening it up.
Nephew, seriously?
Grandson. Sorry about that. There. 12 millimeter. Jeep will never be the same after all this metric stuff. Okay, I got it. Okay, well, we had an optical illusion. I kept convincing myself it wouldn't fit. However, the brake pad is not pulled up, or the brake rotor is not pulled up. But I was going to just put this on and then see if a wheel will fit on it. I'll take this handy dandy 17 millimeter. Snug that one up. And it won't fit there. I'll go get a closed-in ratchet. I went and got a closed-in ratchet. I'm not sure about the torque, but That's pretty tight. Okay, there it is. It's all fitting when I push it in like the wheel's holding it on. It's right there. Bent at the top. Banjo fitting will be at the bottom. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now this is a 15-inch white spoke. Don't ask me what kind of wheel, because I've heard a lot of these comments putting these disc brakes on the front that say you have to put wheel space. I did not yet. I want to see, but I'm going to bolt up on there fine. And I've got clearance. Snug that down right quick. And you'll find out when I find out. He spins. I can see 3/8 of an inch there of daylight on that brake rudder, so it's going to fit with no spacer. How about that? I love that. And so that's using the backing plate from Brennan's Garage. These ceramic Evolution brakes from Rock Island Auto. Part number 17418 is the brake pads and the lube. We'll see what the box is over here.
It's recording.
Gotta go. Okay, well, so with these parts from Rock Auto, 17418 pads. Oh, the rotor is right here. Here we go. Evolution rotor is a JBR 564 EBC. Rock Auto. They're not, picture shows vented. They are not vented, as you saw all week on my construction project. Those are solid rotors. That's what it takes. Thanks for watching Mud Grip Mike.